Irchester, a quaint village nestled in the rolling landscapes of Northamptonshire, offers an enchanting mix of history, community spirit, and natural beauty that is both inviting and inspiring. With a population of around 5,000, Irchester may be small, but it boasts a vibrant character that resonates through its charming streets and lush countryside. The history of Irchester is woven deeply into its fabric, with roots stretching back to Roman times. One of the village's most notable historical treasures is the Irchester Roman town, an ancient site that offers a fascinating glimpse into the past. The remains of this Roman settlement, with its intriguing artifacts and remnants of structures, speak volumes about the village's significance during ancient times. Walking through this archaeological site, one can almost hear the whispers of history, carried by the winds that sweep across the fields. Irchester's historical narrative continues through the centuries, with the Church of St. Catherine standing as a testament to its enduring legacy. This beautiful church, with its stunning stained glass windows and tranquil churchyard, serves as a focal point for the community. The church's medieval architecture and serene ambience invite reflection and provide a tangible connection to the village's rich heritage. Nature lovers will find Irchester to be a haven of outdoor beauty. The village is home to the Irchester Country Park, a sprawling 200-acre parkland that offers a variety of activities for all ages. This park is a local gem, featuring woodlands, meadows, and a quarry that has been transformed into a serene lake. It's a perfect spot for walking, cycling, and picnicking, with well-maintained trails that meander through diverse landscapes. The park also houses a fascinating railway museum, where visitors can learn about the history of the narrow-gauge railway that once served the local ironstone quarries. Irchester's community spirit is one of its most endearing qualities. The village is a close-knit community where neighbors know each other, and local events bring everyone together. The Irchester Gala, an annual summer event, is a highlight of the village calendar, with its lively parades, funfair rides, and a host of entertainment options. The gala encapsulates the village's festive spirit and sense of togetherness. Another beloved event is the Irchester Village Show, where locals showcase their gardening, baking, and crafting talents, celebrating the skills and creativity of the community. The village's educational facilities are well regarded, ensuring that young residents receive quality education in a supportive environment. Irchester Community Primary School, with its commitment to academic excellence and community involvement, plays a central role in village life. The school's activities and events often involve the broader community, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. Irchester's local amenities further enhance its appeal. The village boasts a variety of shops, cafes, and traditional pubs, each offering a warm welcome and a taste of local hospitality. The pubs in particular are social hubs, where residents gather to share stories, enjoy hearty meals, and unwind after a long day. The village hall is another focal point, hosting a range of activities and clubs that cater to diverse interests, from arts and crafts to sports and fitness. Transport links in Irchester are a notable advantage, making it an attractive location for those who appreciate rural tranquility but need easy access to urban conveniences. The village is well connected by road and public transport, with nearby towns and cities within easy reach. This connectivity allows residents to enjoy the best of both worlds, the peace of village life and the amenities of larger urban centres. Irchester is a village that embodies the essence of English rural charm. Its rich history, vibrant community spirit, and stunning natural surroundings make it a delightful place to live and visit. Whether exploring ancient Roman ruins, enjoying the beauty of the country park, or participating in lively local events, there is always something to discover and cherish in Irchester. For those seeking a village that combines historical depth, community warmth, and natural beauty, Irchester in Northamptonshire is a destination that promises to captivate and enchant. The Irchester War Memorial stands as a solemn tribute to the villagers who served and sacrificed their lives in the world wars. Erected in the early 20th century, this memorial is a poignant reminder of the village's contribution to national history and the enduring legacy of its fallen heroes. The site is often a focal point for community remembrance ceremonies and serves as a place of reflection and honor. The Chester House estate stands as a remarkable testament to over 10,000 years of human history. This free-to-enter heritage site offers visitors a unique blend of educational experiences and leisure activities. The estate features a museum showcasing archaeological finds, a charming cafe serving local delicacies, and an artisan shopping courtyard that highlights regional crafts. Families can enjoy the expansive green spaces and a well-equipped outdoor play area, making it an ideal destination for all ages. Throughout the year, Chester House hosts a variety of events, from historical reenactments to seasonal festivals, ensuring there's always something new to discover. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply seeking a picturesque spot to unwind, the Chester House estate seamlessly combines the past and present for a truly enriching experience.